Hello and welcome to Room 2's assembly on Articles 7 and 8. Now we are going to be focusing on Article 7, which is I have a right to a name and to belong to a country, and Article 8, I have a right to an identity. All of the class have taken part and given a bit to this, and a few have recorded some lovely videos. The right to belong to a country. We all have the right to belong to a country. This could be our home country where we were born, or a country that we've migrated to over the year, or maybe our family have migrated to. In the next slide, some of our pupils were going to tell you about their heritage and where their families feel they belong. And there's two in particular who I want you to see.
Hello, my name is Joshua. My family come from Nigeria and we live in England.
Hello, my name's Joseph, and my parents and grandparents come back from England.
Where did they come from, Jovan?
India.
Okay, and where do you live now?
In England.
As you can see from that, we have got two very, very different countries that our students have come from, and I think there's a whole lot of students where you have come from different countries, different backgrounds, different places, from not just in this country but all across the world. And I think to have these two students have got this identity that they've got sort of like a dual identity, which is a great thing to see. So what is an identity? So identity is the unique set of characteristics that can be used to identify a person as themselves and no one else. The word can be used in different ways in different contexts, but in this context we're looking at specifically what makes you you. So on a personal level, identity often refers to the person's sense of self, meaning how they view themselves as compared to other people. So identity is not always about where you were born. Our life experiences change our identity. Who we meet and build long-lasting relationships with can also shape our identities. And this can be people who influence us every day. So one of our students is about to share their story about their stepdad's influence on their identity and what makes up their stepdad's identity.
Hi, I'm GJ. My family, my stepdad came from Liverpool, and he says, "You raise Lucky," and I play Xbox.
And what's your favourite colour, TJ?
Blue.
What, blue? So as you can see, he's showing how his stepdad's influence is from somewhere that's in the city of Liverpool, and he's also showing how his identity with his hair colour. He's dyed his hair blue. And this is him showing himself as he is, and he has that right to show this identity to us all. And he also belongs, he said, not just to Birmingham, but also to Liverpool. So we all have the right to belong to a country, whether it is the one we were born in or the one we have settled in, or both. This forms part of our identity, which can mean so many different things to different people, whether it is the colour of our hair, the influence of other people around us, or anything else that makes us who we are. Just saying thank you for listening and for watching.